It's Mr. Greenapple again. Welcome back for another video. There is a new R&D division at LG called LG Labs, and the engineers there have created a capsule coffee machine called Duobo that is very unique in appearance. So let's take a closer look at it. The LG Labs marketing platform provides customers with innovative product and service experiences. Duobo revolutionizes coffee brewing with advanced features that ensure convenience and customized taste. By using Duobo's dual capsule extraction system, users can create and savor their distinctive blends in 2 shots. User preferences can be adjusted through the Duobo mobile app, which provides simple control. The new product by LG Labs is compatible with coffee capsules from various brands, offering a wide range of strengths, roasts, and flavors for users to match, blend, and make their own. Duobo integrates a full HD IPS display in the space where coffee cups are placed during the extraction process. The display adds another layer of enjoyment, providing users with Duobo exclusive animations and coffee-related information. A futuristic capsule-based coffee machine, Duobo by LG Labs, is available for crowdfunding on Kickstarter starting July 20. Coffee aficionados and early adopters can save 50% with the limited super early bird deal offered exclusively on Kickstarter. So far, these are the details we know. In today's video, we learned about a new machine. Does this video help you in any way? Tell us in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe if you liked it.